We flirt to establish that connection. We flirt to explore, to tantalize, and to unlock the mysterious. And in this lesson, as we start this quest together with the seduction mindset, because charisma begins and ends with the seduction of a powerful mindset. Going on dates, yes, it can leave you vulnerable. So here's the thing you need to remember. Control versus care. Care is that feminine quality. It's the sister to compassion, and it opens the door of any heart. Let's begin with the power of the I am statement. Now, in order to radiate magnificence and sexuality and sensuality, you need to feel good about yourself. And there are no more powerful words than the combination of I am. It activates the actions in the brain. It activates the commitment. And as we journey through this quest together, I would like for you to develop a new habit of working with the I am affirmations. And we're going to do it in 3 magical words. For example, I am love. I am passionate. I am sexy. I am delicious. I am happy. I am joy. When you use those words, you begin to feel it. It helps you connect with your true essence. So I invite you to join me for a celebration of me, a celebration of you ceremony. And I challenge you to do it for the next 90 days. Instead of dimming your light, celebrate yourself, girl, in small daily acts of self-love, self-care. Do it for 90 days, such as lighting a candle, taking a walk on the beach, looking at the moonlight, and working and activating those I am affirmations. It will reveal your biggest character gifts, all your greatness, and this habit will strengthen your self-confidence and help you understand the non-negotiable qualities in your partner. Because whatever you are and whatever you possess and whatever you desire, you seek that in your partner too. But that's not all. That's not all. You need to recognize yourself as a Wonder Woman. That's the Wonder Woman that you are. You're at work. You could be at play. But then you need to take your cape, put it on that velvet hanger, and call out your after 5 persona. Because my goddess, it's time to play. So there are 2 types of women that you are. It's love after 5, meeting to mating, seduction and radiant. There's 2 different personalities, the career woman or the entrepreneur. And then your alter ego. And that's that after 5 character. So here's what I want you to do.